We've got this Truetone AM radio here on the bench, and I've gone through it, recapped it, as I mentioned earlier, and it needs an external antenna. And so I finally figured out that I took this Zenith antenna and hooked it up, and the radio came alive, and it did a beautiful job. But this Zenith antenna won't fit on the case. It's too big, obviously. And so I thought, well, what I'll do is I'll design an antenna that will fit on the case, and as you can see here, and wire it, but the radio is still dead because I have to have the right DC resistance and the right alignment on this antenna. So I tried three different iterations and different versions of these attempts. I had this wire full of wire, and then it was too much resistance, and then this was the right resistance, but it's not picking anything up, and I don't know why. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. So then I thought, okay, I'm just going to take the wire off of this antenna that worked, most of it, not all of it, because I couldn't fit it all on there. Redesigned the frame and wired it, and now I can get one station. It's still very poor, and the band at the bottom end of the frequency is completely dead. I have to get up in here to actually get a station, and it's so weak that you can't. And it's tuned properly for this antenna, but I don't have the right antenna, so I am at a complete loss right now. This antenna, the size, physical size of this antenna is the important thing about it. I'm pretty sure, as you can see, it's about 20% less or so, 15-20% difference in size. So I know, and then I even put a resistor in line just to see if I could tweak the resistance of this circuit on the antenna tuning circuit that adjusts for the oscillator and everything. Has to have the right resistance in order to operate across the entire band. So I don't know, I may be close. I may need, I don't know what I need, honestly. I'm at a loss right now, because this turned out nicely, and it wasn't very big. It wasn't big enough to get all the wire on there. And so I'm open to suggestions.